Hello everyone, I am Miles.
And I am Franz. And we are the handler for Spanish language from JK Network Services.
And today, we are going to answer some frequently asked questions from our applicants.
Like, what are the work schedule? What is the work setup? What are the available positions for Spanish bilinguals? How much is the language premium? And how much is the salary for Spanish bilinguals? So if you want to know more about the details, please keep watching. So the first question is, what is the work setup? Since we are living in a new normal and all of the companies are open and working fully on-site, we usually receive an opening that is for full on-site. The common locations are Pasig, Taguig, Makati, Pasay, or Muntinlupa. But don't worry, if you are currently residing or located in province, we also have an opening in Pampanga, Cebu, or Batangas. And the next question is, what is the work schedule? For the bilingual market, please expect that our client and customers are located abroad, so there's a time difference. But for the working schedule, we have a shifting schedule like night shift, mid shift, or graveyard shift. And for the next question, do you have a remote job for Spanish? The answer is yes, but it's limited. But right now, we have an opening for a hybrid setup, so it means you need to go to the office for 3 times a week and work from home for 2 days a week. The next question would be, do you accept candidates that are currently residing abroad? Yes, we accept candidates that are currently residing abroad but willing to relocate here in the Philippines once hired. The next question is, do you accept candidates without experience yet? Of course, we do accept candidates without experience yet, as long as you are conversational in using the Spanish language. Don't worry, we are going to give you some tips and guide you on how to ace your interview and assessment. And the next question is, do you provide a relocation assistance? Yes, but it depends on the client and the location of the job. But for the relocation package, our client usually provides a free accommodation like hotel or condo stay, or sometimes a free one-way airfare ticket.
Hello everyone, I am Miles from JK Network Services, one of the handler for Spanish language. And I am here to answer some frequently asked questions from our applicants. The question is, what are the available positions for Spanish speakers? The common position that we are receiving right now is for customer support, technical support, admin and back office job, and for financial and accounting role. And the next question is, what is the advantage of being a bilingual speaker? Being a bilingual speaker is an advantage, especially for Filipino who can speak the language. There's a lot of opportunities awaiting them because Spanish speakers are in demand in the market nowadays. And the salary for the bilingual speakers are very competitive. And the next question, this is the most question that we are receiving from our candidates. How much is the language premium for Spanish speaker? With regards on the language premium, companies are paying on their language skills. It is ranging 40,000 to 50,000, but it will depend on the company industry, like in BPO company, financial company, manufacturing company, and the shared service company. And last but not the least, this is the top question that we are receiving from our applicants. How much is the salary for Spanish speaker? It is ranging 60,000 to 90,000 for CSR and TSR jobs, 70,000 to 90,000 for admin and back office job, and also for financial and accounting role, it is ranging 80,000 to 110,000, but it will depend on their language proficiency, skills, and the qualification.
And just to give you an overview for our current openings for Spanish language, For voice account, we have a Spanish customer service that is located in Eastwood, Quezon City, Cebu, and Clark, Pampanga. And the salary range is 60,000 up to 85,000 gross.
And for the second opening, we have admin and back office job. This is for Spanish restaurant manager. It is located in Makati City. Salary range is 80,000 to 100,000. This is a night shift schedule and a work on-site job. And also, we have Spanish content moderator. This opening is located in BGC Taguig City. Salary is ranging 50,000 to 60,000, a night shift schedule and a work on-site job.
So to all aspiring Spanish bilinguals out there, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are very happy to assist you with your application. If you are interested to apply, just send your resume to or message us on our Facebook account.
And get a chance to get our free certified bilingual hoodie. Thank you so much for watching and see you on our next video.
Bye!